Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and मेरे साथ है.
Shruti, you can call me Shruts. How are
Yes,
you?
I'm good. Are you asking me or the listeners, viewers?
Both.
Oh, okay.
You cut on that. Very good. I was like, both.
We hope you are well. I am well.
Hmm.
I have a new artist today, so I'm very excited.
Oh wow, very
Yeah.
nice. So, is it a suggestion that we got from people, or is
Yes.
it somebody you put? Oh,
Yes.
nice.
So people have been requesting a lot of artists that we still haven't explored, and we will get to them. There's just such a long list of people that there are fans of who land in the comment section. So there's already a long list of all those people, and then there are new artists. So when we explore a new artist, it's got to be fair to them and kind of do a little
Correct.
bit of research and figure ki kaun se gaane se shuru karna chahiye and all of that,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So and I did also promise ki we will get to like the non-Delhi rappers also in the future. So this
Yes.
is one of those. He
Oh,
is
nice.
a very young artist from Pune, and
Oh.
yeah, and he's got quite a reputation. He's apparently very
When you say very young, matlab like he's not
I
10
think
years old or something,
no.
no? Like, matlab, just checking.
So wow, I mean, we don't know. We've seen Hadia
Ah,
Hashmi at 8, what she can do, but no,
exactly. That's
yeah,
uh,
don't underestimate the kids of today.
yes,
But
yes.
no, he's not that young. I think he's in his early 20s. He started when he was in like late teens, 18, 19, where he started. But his name is MC Stan. I think his real name is Altaf Sheikh. Yeah,
Okay.
Altaf Sheikh. And he's from Pune, and that's pretty much all I know about him. So this is a song that was recommended. It was apparently a good song to start with, and it's
Okay.
called Astaghfirullah. So I don't
So
know.
let's get to know him better via his song.
Yeah, it's December 31st, 2019. So he ended the year with this song. Must be Ye Ya La Mere Gunaho Ko Maaf Karna. Amin. That's what the description says.
Right.
So, ठीक है, let's get into
Hello?
it.
सुनते हैं? Count me down.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
सुनना माम, वो तस्वीर किधर रखी लिए रे? अरे जीन्स नहीं रे माँ, वो तस्वीर नहीं क्या? अरे रे
तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी 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 माँ को रुलाया मैंने काफी 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 उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी उस बात की मांग रहा मैं दारू पिया मैंने आज सोच के थोड़ी तो भी निकलेंगी फीलिंग्स मेरे मैनेजर को बोला मैंने कभी तक देखूं मैं वर्ली का सैडेला सीलिंग डीलिंग मार डालो मेरे को मेरे मर गए फीलिंग्स नशे के बिना मेरे को आ रही नहीं फीलिंग मैं झूठ बोलना चाहता पर ना सच निकल चाहता मेरा हर एक पार्ट यहाँ पे सच बोलना चाहता मैं हक से मैं गरीब हक से मैं गंजेड़ी हक से मैं छपरी उसका रीजन था बस्ती मैं बस्ती का हस्ती पर बस्ती के बच्चों की फ्री में थी मस्ती मैं जिंदा हूँ अभी मेरे को कभी कभी मस्जिद में एंट्री नहीं मिलती मेरे को फील होता गिल्टी लेकिन एक रीजन से मिलती बड़े बाल सिल्की मतलब हुजूर की जुल्फे को समझेगा नहीं तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी माफ करो साफ करो तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी माँ को रुलाया मैंने काफी 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 उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी जन्नत वो दूर की बात उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी उस बात की मांग रहा मैं एंजाइटी होने लगी मेरे को हर एक दिन हर एक सीन हर एक पिन हर एक मीम मेरे को याद आ रहा मेरा बाप जाने का 4 बार धक्के से लक्के पे माँ बाप पे छार खारा आज मेरे को समझा मैं क्या करा क्यों करा हटकुन से दूर करा मजबूरी में कूल बना डूड बना तभी जाके घर पे मेरे 2 टाइम का फूड बना क्यूट बना चेकना साफ साफ लिखेला कुरान में सब बना जीना बहुत गुना बहुत सुना शैतान मेरा दोस्त बना मैं क्या करूँ केयर करूँ पैर पड़ू फोन ऑफ करूँ या फिर मैं 4 गर्ल्स की तरह चेयर करूँ आज मरूँ कल मरूँ फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसको किसका फिर भी मैं शेयर करूँ अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी बस याद रख मेरे को तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी हाय बाय चल तोबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह में अल्लाह से मांगा था माफी माँ को रुलाया मैंने काफी माँ को रुलाया मैंने काफी माँ को रुलाया मैंने काफी,
रो रो के थक गया,
उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी, उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी, उस बात की मांग रहा मैं माफी, उस बात की मांग रहा मैं बनेला हक से तू बनेला लग से, ऊपर वाला क्यों हर टाइम हमको बख्शे। रमजान के महीने में अपन बच्चे लोग मस्ते हंसते फंसते, तुम भूल गए रास्ते, ईमान को बेच के जान नमाज पे बैठे ले शैतान आज ताज मेरे सिर पे परेशान, हर एक फिरके मेरे को लेकर उनको मालूम कभी चेंज नहीं होने वाला, मैं सच पसंद तो हज पसंद कर, जितने भी बातें बोली सब हजम कर, बात को रात को लगता तो बाप को पूछ, मेरे शायद से तुझ नहीं मांगता मेरे को कुछ, बस मांग रहा मैं माफी, अपना दिल साफ करो माफ करो, अगर हो सके तो मेरे को दुआ में तुम याद करो, खुदा हाफिज।
Yeah. So, what do you feel? What is the first impression?
My first impression is, my first impression of the track is, it was like, I love the beat and I love that. It stays with you.
Correct.
It really stays
Yeah.
with you.
Correct.
My first impression of him is, at a very young age, he's seen a lot in life. बहुत कुछ से गुजरा है.
Correct.
Is my first impression. But what are your thoughts? Let me just collect my thoughts. You tell me.
Yeah. See, first and foremost, yeah, like you said, he's been through a lot. And also, like, I felt that anyway, hip hop is first used as an expression medium, right? Where you are expressing your feelings, where otherwise maybe that you are blocking it, you're locking it up, you're unable to express yourself. So you kind of, a lot of artists do that, right? They pick that one way in a way that they will be able to express their feelings, which they otherwise really cannot. So this to me is purely that. It's finding one's expression. Like there were so many times right in the beginning when he was just repeating, right? So while many times the repetition is done on purpose to create a certain feel, sometimes it's just done because you're figuring yourself out.
Yeah,
Because
you need to say it again and again to yourself.
And also that you don't have that much experience to know how to play with it within a song, within creatively, while expressing your thing. So that's why the first half of the song I thought was a lot more repetitions. Second half of the song is where a lot of the lyrical stuff started coming out, where he started expressing all his angst, everything that he's observed, things that he's looking around, which he wants to talk about, which otherwise he wouldn't. So for me, it's a very personal expression track.
Yeah.
Right? And so is this one of the first tracks he's made, or he's made before? Like, what is any idea?
No, apparently he's had quite a few songs before this, and this was a very different sound from him, is what I've been told. That's all I know. But
yeah, no, so it does sound like he has experience. He knows what he's doing. But it's just that in life, while you need experience, as they say, you need more and more experience, then wisdom comes, and then the kind of stuff you start writing is very different than the stuff that you started out with. Yeah. So I feel that journey is still on. Yeah. So I would love to see in future what he,
Yeah. So in this, exactly. So in this song, he's kind of just looking back, and he's still at a very young age. So he's looking back at whatever he's done or not done that he feels he should have done or could have done, and he's just like, the year's ending, and I wanna ask for forgiveness for all the crap I've done, especially to my mom. Family suffered because of me and my doings or whatever it is. So also he's gone through that, the anxiety and this and that. So he's also talking about what he's been through and how he didn't know how to handle his
and how he went
struggles.
Astray. How he also went astray only to find his way back, because he was kind of justifying it as well, that I went astray, but at least there was do waqt ki roti then coming at home. So
he said, "Mujhe cool banna pada, dude banna pada, and then mere ghar pe food bana." So something. So he's like, I kind of felt like I had to put on this persona and take on this personality so that I could be the person who brings the bread and butter home. Who earns that bread and who gives the family something back. But maybe in that journey, I kind of lost myself in some way. So those kind of things. So first of all, he's really just. His face was very, when you've gone numb and you're just like saying it because now it's sunk in and you're just letting it out. He just had that, I felt like, I don't know, I could be wrong, but I just felt like he had this very numb look now. He's like, He's got that.
किसी चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, go for it, like वैसा.
Now I know what's happened and क्या like बीती है मेरे पे और मेरे like loved ones पे. So now I'm just gonna ask for forgiveness and I'm just gonna do it with a very like numb outlook towards it. I've done the crying and I've done the wailing and the bawling and all that is over, the anxiety. Now I'm that sthirta has come. Sthirta is
But
the
he's
word.
but he's too young for it. So I'm hoping
I'm just
that
saying, yeah, he's too young for it.
I
I'm
hope
just
he
saying
like
that
gets
in the
through with
video
life.
that came across a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Completely. I agree with you. I agree. I'm totally with you. I also felt it fully the way you're saying.
His journey
So I'm
has
just saying,
begun, though. I agree with you also. Yes, on
yeah,
that very.
just lots of light and happiness to him, so that now actually he like, comes forward and makes other stuff and happier stuff, which is truly coming not as a fake thing, but as what is truly coming from within him. So just
But even that last verse when the lyrics started appearing in the video, very beautiful lines and very real. And like I said at the start, the beat is it's got that addictive sort of loop. I'm just gonna say that must give props to the music producer Gums. Is it Gums or Gum dollar sign? I don't know, but killer beat, loved it. So yeah, thank you for introducing us to MC Stan, and we want to hear more of his stuff in the future. So comment below and let us know which songs we should get to, and if there's any other artists we should explore as well.
correct. Yes.
On that note, on that lovely note, see you in the next one.